Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Monday, November 11th. A stronger than expected U.S. labor market report has brought Federal Reserve taper talk back into the market. U.S. employers hired 204,000 new employees in October, which caused many to believe that the Federal Reserve could start tapering as soon as December. U.S. retailers are gearing up for what many analysts believe could be the weakest holiday season since 2008. Since Thanksgiving falls unusually late this year, Americans will have 6 fewer days to shop, which could cut into holiday sales. A typhoon in the Philippines has killed an estimated 10,000 people and displaced a further 600,000. The typhoon took down 70 to 80% of the structures in its path, making the rescue effort much more difficult. After high-level talks between Western leaders and Iranian officials failed to reach an agreement over Iran's nuclear program, U.S. lawmakers revealed on Sunday that they plan on tightening sanctions on Iran in order to avoid giving up too much if a deal is reached at the next round of talks. A second round of talks about a free trade agreement between the EU and the US are set to begin on Monday. The two sides are likely to focus on trying to create a common set of regulations that would allow products made and tested in the EU to be sold in America and vice versa. Asian markets were mixed on Monday. The Japanese Nikkei gained 1.30%, and the Hang Seng Index was up by 0.99%. However, New Zealand's NZ50 fell 0.59%, and Australia's ASX 200 fell 0.25%. In commodity markets, energy futures were higher, with Brent futures up 0.32% and WTI futures up by 0.24%. Gold gained 0.13% and silver was up by 0.34%. Industrial metals were also higher, with copper up 0.25%, and tin up 0.68%. European markets were quiet on Monday morning. The UK's FTSE was up by 0.12%, and the Eurozone Stock 600 gained 0.10%. France's CAC 40 was up by 0.11%, and the Spanish IBEX lost 0.21%. Currency markets were quiet on Monday. The euro continued to trade at $1.33, and the pound slipped 0.07% against the dollar. The yen gained 0.11% against the dollar, and the Australian dollar gained 0.02% against the greenback. Monday's economic calendar will be relatively quiet, with Italian industrial production, Norwegian CPI, PPI, and core inflation data, and the British house price balance. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga. Good luck on your Monday trades.